So let's give it the okay. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. And stop. Yes. Look at that. It is actually perfect for making TikToks. And also look at the cool effects that I can achieve with the RGB LEDs right here. So just when I walk around, I can change my colors and it's perfect. That is so funny. I love it. Got the new drip from Hohem. This is the Hohem Go, a 2-axis auto tracking holder for your phone, for your tablets. Just put your device in it and it will track you. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the box. Let's get rid of the wrap first. So this is the front, this is the side. Make the moment. On the back we have this, check it out right here. Then on the other side we have this picture. That's the top and that's the bottom. This will slide out and here we have it. By the way, that's the top, that's the bottom. So let's get it. So first of all, we will be greeted by this little guide right here with the warranty terms and the specs. Then we also get another guide, another quick start guide. And then let's get rid of this. And here we have it, a 2-axis auto tracking device. And actually there is more. So in here we also have a cable right here. Ah yeah, now I get it. Should have just pulled it out anyway. So yeah, let's get right to the accessories. So we will get this cable, this charging cable with a little rubber ring around it. We get a USB-A to USB-C, of course, short cable for charging it. And yeah, we already looked at the paperwork. So, oh, that was easy. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then, of course, to a close overview. So here we have it. It's quite shiny, has good weight to it, but it's still very light. It's looking pretty cute, so let's get to a close overview. So starting with the bottom we have this, and it also has a threaded insert, so you can use it on a tripod. That's genius. On the front we have this button right here, and of course also the camera that we need for the actual tracking, for the AI tracking. On the back we have the USB-C port for charging it, and also this adjustment tab that you can turn for actually fixing your device in place. So lastly, on top we have the clamp, and you can adjust it just like that. And there is enough space for phones and also for tablets. So yeah, let's get to it. Good stuff. Now let me tell you all about the specs and the features. For this I will refer to their official website. It's of course listed and linked in the description. The name is Go and the design is according to an Italian retro style. I thought that's interesting to know. We have AI face auto tracking without app, without Bluetooth. We have dual axis motors, 360 degrees freedom of motion horizontally and 30% in the vertical direction. Simple gesture control, and aside from small phones it also supports big tablets. The motors are strong enough to handle them with ease. And it's very light, only 300 grams, so it's very portable, easy to carry. You can bring it everywhere. Yeah, and as you can see, it's kind of looking cute and refined. This is what it looks like. So dare to be active. You can also find product videos on the site. So here you can see visualized the 2-axis rotation, 360 degrees tracking without an app, gesture control. You can use phones and tablets, and we have an attractive design. So this is for everyone who loves life. So this will be your new cameraman. It will follow you wherever you go. This is perfect for live streaming, for video conferences, all sorts of videos, and just all sorts of purposes when it gets to recording yourself. As I said, this is your new cameraman, your assistant, and also your treasure, because it just looks amazing. No app needed, no Bluetooth needed, and it's very fast. So it is indeed a quick start, and we will check that out in a second. I was surprised. It can pan, it can tilt up, it can tilt down, and it's very easy to control. Works for phones, works for tablets, and it's also very fast to mount and unmount your devices. And it also has a nice clicking sound. It's portable, it's lightweight, but it's still robust to ensure a good experience. We have intelligent sensor technology that tells the motors what to do while still keeping it noiseless. That's amazing. And we have up to 10 hours of battery life. And once more, to really hammer it home, exquisite design, retro knob, plated surface, and of course the threaded insert to mount it on a tripod. Definitely a great feature. And also when you compare the Hohem Go with other similar devices, it's just better. And lastly, here we have the specs. We have the dimensions, the weights. The material is PC and ABS plastic. You can insert devices up to 13 millimeters of thickness, and they say the tablet size is up to 11 inches. So that's plenty. In the box we just have the charging cable and the Go. And this is not their only product, so definitely check out their website. There are many more interesting products that they sell. And now let's move on. Not bad, right? And now let's put it to the test. It's as easy as just putting in your phone or tablet, tightening the knob, pressing the button for 3 seconds, and then using the gestures, the smart gestures, which is just the OK sign to start it, and to turn it off, the stop sign. And of course the camera needs to see you. And for this, the best distance is 0.5 to 1.5 meters, and the best tracking distance range is 0.5 meters up to 3 meters from the Go. And the best thing, this works without Bluetooth and without an app. It will work straight out of the box, no firmware updates, no nothing. This thing will just work, so let me demonstrate. Let's try it without a phone first. Alright, so let's give it the OK. Oh my goodness, I just gave it the OK sign, and now, oh wow, oh my goodness. And stop. Yes, whoa. So let's insert a phone then. No wait, let's test it with the tablet first actually. Inserting it, tightening it. And fixing the polarizer issue, that's better. Okay, and now let's give it the OK sign. Oh my goodness. Check this out, this is so cool. The vertical tracking is so nice. Amazing. So as you can see, there are no issues with the weight of the tablet whatsoever. It's so fast. Love it. So nice. Handled the camera perfectly. Now this light. Okay, that was a little bit close to it. That was less than half a meter, but it still did the trick. And now let's try it with a phone. So stop the tracking, please. Perfect. Blue light, and now just like before. And there we go. Actually, let's do it like this. For TikTok, of course. So there we go. Alright, and now let's try that again. OK sign. Perfect. Up and down. That is perfect. Let me actually take a video. And when it will lose you, well, it just turned blue, but then it found me again. Yeah, then it will just lock back onto you. There it's... See? Not bad, not bad, I have to say. And also objects, not a big issue. The only issue is, of course, when you're getting too close. But just like that, it will work. And it's so responsive, it's amazing. So whether it's just for TikTok or for live streaming, this thing will keep you in frame always. Look at that, it is actually perfect for making TikToks, and also look at the cool effects that I can achieve with the RGB LEDs right here. So just when I walk around, I can change my colors and it's perfect. Although I would like to move it up a bit, so let's also try it with a tripod. Stop. And for this, I have this little guy right here. It's not enough, but it's better than nothing. So on a tripod, there we go. Nah, that is a sketchy tripod. I would like to have it at my eye height, but check this out, it's looking amazing. Alright, now that's what I'm talking about. Okay, please track me. Oh my goodness, look at it, it's perfect. This is perfect. Let's go. Let's go. Now I have like a little bit of headspace above me. This would be perfect for titles. If this is too much, then you just need to stop, adjust the phone. But other than that, it's working really nice. Yeah, and lastly, let's try it outdoors. So here we go. Let me get it straight first. So, okay. Not too bad, not too bad. There we go. Okay, so when I'm too far, it will lose me. So I'm now in the shade. Let's try that again. One, two. That was like 2.5 meters. That's like 1 meter. One, two, 3. Yes, it's like what they said in the specs. It will work perfectly up to 3 meters. Yeah, but like at around 4 meters, it will start to lose you and it will start to become a bit unreliable. But up to 3 meters, it seems to work perfectly fine. I guess I could try it as many times as I want. It's pretty fast too, actually. That is so funny, I love it. Alright, enough. Yeah, now that I'm done, all that's left is to turn it off, of course. Just press and hold. And there we go. Very cool little device. Hohem was established in 2014 and by now they are the top 1 seller of mobile gimbals and also action camera gimbals on Amazon. No wonder, because their new product is amazing too and I'm sure that it will sell a lot. It's a great helper for live streams, online meetings, classes, dancing, fitness videos, vlogs, you name it. And you not only can use it for phones, you can also use this for tablets. So it is strong and it gives small and big devices 360 horizontal and also 30 degrees vertical AI tracking capabilities. Super long battery life, 10 hours to be specific, built-in AI sensor for the tracking, integrated camera of course, and there is no app, no software needed, it's all in here, it's all integrated and I love that. It is super simple to control, just give it the OK sign to start, give it the palm sign to stop. The build quality is great and it also looks good. Definitely a cool device and definitely drippy, so check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you, but before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one, enjoy your day and I will see you soon.